so nice yesterday. I'm like, why are we ruining it with rain on Monday?
Oh, yesterday was so nice. Even Saturday was nice. I mean, we saw some rain, and then we saw some rain yesterday afternoon. But not too bad. And we'll have some showers that are left over today. That'll taper off as we head into the mid-afternoon. Now, tomorrow is going to be a beautiful spring day. Temperatures around 70 degrees for tomorrow. So it is going to be very nice. Lots of sunshine. We'll be stuck in the 60s today. Although areas north and west of D.C., you may get a little more sunshine before. I'll show you that here in a second. So you may approach 70 degrees, but I think all of us are going to stay in the 60s today. But again, temperatures around 70 tomorrow. Wednesday, we've got increasing clouds and some storms in the afternoon. Some of those could also be strong on Wednesday afternoon. Rain trying to move in right now, and so we'll continue to see some mainly light rain, maybe some heavier rain. You see down here in Page County and Rappahannock County, maybe a little bit stronger, but otherwise, generally speaking, it's just going to be light rain, anywhere from 1/10 of an inch to maybe 1/4 of an inch of rain. The trajectory of this, you can see mainly south and east. There could be a few showers that get up into the northern Shenandoah Valley, into the eastern panhandle of West Virginia. But again, a lot of this staying just kind of south and east of the D.C. area through southern Maryland, through Fredericksburg and Stafford. So that'll continue through the morning, taper off as we get into the mid-afternoon. The last people to see that rain move out will be areas and our friends in southern Maryland. Temperatures right now in the 50s and low 60s will rise into the 60s. It's going to be a big spread in temperatures today for areas that continue to see rain into the afternoon and areas that dry out and get a little bit more sunshine. So pretty much 60s across the board. Some areas in the low 60s, some areas in the mid to upper 60s. But right now this morning we'll be in the 50s. Futurecast, here we go. You can see by 6:30, we start to see some rain moving into the I-66 area, and that will continue to encompass the Beltway as we go through the mid-morning. You can see the Winchester, Frederick area, Hagerstown all cut off by some of this rain. You guys may be the first areas to see some sunshine, especially as we get into the afternoon. That means your temperature will go up a little bit more, but most of this is out of here by the evening commute, and then we're clear overnight. In fact, we're going to see some patchy frost. Temperatures need to be in the upper 30s to get some frost out there, and I think low-lying areas along I-81 in the Shenandoah Valley could see that. That's late in the game for some frost here in our region. So sensitive plants, everybody's already gardened, so you just want to make sure you keep aware of the temperature. Tomorrow's going to be nice. We've got some storms on Wednesday. I've taken them out for Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday look beautiful. Watch how that temperature goes up. And I got to tell you, as we head into next week, that temperature goes up even more. We could see some mid-90s out there, so we'll see how that plays out.